Greetings to all the farmers and friends involved in farming business all over the globe. Our mission is to grow enough food using zero chemicals and encourage rural youth for 100% employment on their own land. My name is Tejaram Chaudhary and we are discussing all the agriculture methods adopted by farmers all over the world. Our ultimate aim is to arrive at the best agriculture method wherein our agriculture will be simple, cheapest and natural and will benefit entire humanity, entire living being and entire atmosphere on Mother Earth. To know more about all the agriculture methods, we are discussing briefly about each one, and today we are taking up the next method, that is dry land farming. The meaning of dry land farming is, have you ever wondered how farmers grow crops in places where rainfall is extremely low, like the places in Rajasthan, western Rajasthan? This is made possible through a powerful technique called dry land farming. Dry land farming is method of agriculture practiced in arid and semi-arid regions where annual rainfall is usually below 50 centimeters. In this system, crops are grown without irrigation, relying entirely on natural rainfall and stored soil moisture. It is commonly used in areas that experience drought or irregular rainfall pattern every year. Some features of dryland farming are water scarcity. The biggest challenge in dryland farming is limited water available for irrigation. Farming must carefully conserve every drop of moisture available in the soil. Because of this, crop selection is very important. Only crops that can survive with minimum water are chosen. Number two is drought resistant crops. In dryland farming, farmers select drought resistant crops like millets, sorghum, barley and legumes. These crops are naturally drought tolerant, requires less water and can grow even in poor soils. Moisture conservation techniques. Farmers use smart techniques to preserve soil moisture such as mulching, covering soil with organic matter, minimum tillage, reducing soil disturbances, and contour plowing, plowing along the slopes to prevent water runoff. And soil management. Maintaining soil fertility is essential. Farmers practice crop rotation, grow cover crops, and add organic matter or compost to improve soil structure and water retention. Rainwater harvesting. Dryland farming often build bunds, terraces, and small dams to collect rainwater. This stored water supports crops during dry spells. Timing. Timing is everything in dryland farming. Seeds are usually planted immediately after rainfall so crops can use available moisture efficiently. Dryland farming offers several advantages also. It conserves water by eliminating irrigation. It allows agriculture in harsh climates. It improves soil health through conservation practices, and it supports diversified cropping system that reduce risk. However, it has challenges like yield can be unpredictable because rainfall is uncertain. Poor management can cause soil degradation or desertification, and crop choices are limited to drought resistant varieties. So, the conclusion is that dry land farming proves that agriculture is possible even in toughest climates like western Rajasthan. With the right technique, farmers can grow food constantly and sustainably. To know about other methods, keep tuned with us. Finally, we will arrive at the best agriculture method and encourage all the farmers to adopt the same for doing purely natural farming To know more, like, subscribe, and share our channel.